I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading off for yet another track day. Today heading off to Cadwell Park and we're going to be on track there tomorrow. That is going to be the 14th of May 2026. We're obviously looking forward to this one. We're going to be loading up Bruce here along with all of my other paraphernalia to get us ready and set up for track. Now tomorrow is looking like, unfortunately, it's going to be a bit of a soggy one, but for a change we're bringing along everything wet weather, and actually why not, let's give this one a go. So if needed, we're going to have wet weather tyres on and go out and have a go in the drizzle. So here we go, we are out, we're on the road, we're halfway to Cadwell, and look how much we've packed in here. My God, have we packed it all in. We've got 3 bikes in here with all the kit and clobber that we need for both sunshine and the rain. We're going to be enjoying this one, so don't go anywhere, I'm going to bring you along for the ride. So in an interesting twist for our visit to Cadwell Park today, it is now 11 o'clock tonight, 11 o'clock at night. It's the night before the track day. We are now 15 miles away from Cadwell Park, and the van that we have hired is decided to drop down to 2 cylinders and stop. So we now have a van full of motorbikes and gear. It's very dark. We're on a little country road with nothing but a traffic light in front of us to look at and enjoy as we wait for the long arduous journey for Breakdown Recovery to come and save us. I think we might see if we can unload the bikes, and we're only 15 miles away, so hell, we'll just sleep in the van and ride to the track day. It'll be fine. So anyway, next time you see me I can tell you how we got on and if we made it or not. Okay, so we're here at Cadwell Park after the debacle of last night with our lovely van that broke down and everything that went with it. We've now made it through. We are at Cadwell Park. I do see a little bit of the blue bits in the sky, however that is not going to last. It's going to be a wet one today, but I am convinced I'm going to keep going. I'm just going to keep it safe, make sure we stay right way up, not push it too hard, and we're going to get out there and just have some fun today, and I'm going to bring you along for the ride as always. So we're setting everything up here, and our next bit I'll guide you through each one of each session. Stay with me. Okay, so we're just about to head out to the second session. Well, actually I've already been, but you guys are just about to come with me. So this one's getting a little bit better, slightly a little bit more drier. Now I've actually come in now and we can see sun behind us, so we're keeping fingers crossed here that we might start be moving into a bit of sunshine for the third session. But second session is a short one, there is a red flag, we get a couple of people that are coming off, but we get out and have a bit of fun. There's a mate of mine that's out on track with me, we see a little bit of him out on a couple of sessions, and we are weaving through a load of traffic, so we got a bit of fun. So come along and enjoy the ride. Hey.
hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.